In the business report, Digicel has announced it has launched an offering of $1.550 million aggregate principal amount of senior secured notes due 2032 and $415 million aggregate principal amount of senior unsecured notes due 2033. Digicel intends to use the net proceeds from the offering of the notes together with the expected proceeds from the new DIFL First Lien term loans and available cash to repay DIFL's existing credit facility redeem in the full outstanding 9.00 secured first lien notes due in 2027. The Trinidad Guardian is reporting that the Michael Leachin-led NCB Financial Group has agreed to pledge all the shares of its subsidiary Guardian Holdings as collateral for its upcoming $300 million bond offer. The NCB Financial Group owns 61% ordinary shares of Guardian Holdings. NCBFG floated an unsecured bond to finance the maturing debt, which should have been closed in June, but the offer was not priced and taken up. The group told the TNT Stock Exchange that it will now be issuing a senior secured bond backed by its shareholding in Guardian Holdings, adding that it expects the offer to be priced and closed shortly. Time now for more on the financial scene from Denise Williams.
For the trading period ending July 24, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 5,840,802 units traded, representing 29.88% of market sales volume. PVC pipe manufacturer Omni Industries Limited with 3,455,649 units traded, representing 17.68% of market sales volume. Investment firm Sterling Investments Limited with 2,729,718 units traded, representing 13.97% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On July 24, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US 51.86 million purchased and US 50.24 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.78 per dollar, selling the US at $161.32 and buying the US at $159.54. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders 41 cents per transaction, with selling at $118.30 and buying at $117.89. The British pound yielded Forex traders $3.74 in profit, with selling at $217.32 and buying at $213.58. For our credit report tip of the day, before you pitch your next idea, ask yourself, are you financially ready to be taken seriously? Too many aspiring entrepreneurs focus on branding and business plans, but overlook the one thing that lenders, landlords, and partners check first: your credit. Your score and report speak louder than your passion. So take action now. Position yourself to say yes to opportunities by getting your credit house in order. This isn't just paperwork, it's part of your business strategy. If you're building something from nothing and moving from financial recovery to financial resilience, you're at a crossroads, and doing nothing is still a decision. As a professional woman over the age of 45, you've likely seen what happens when financial planning is delayed or ignored. You've lived through the aftermath of inherited money patterns, so silent struggles, missed opportunities, or watching loved ones work hard and still come up short. But now, you have the experience, the insight, and the authority to choose differently. Take action not just for yourself, but for the legacy you're building. every step you take from here, no matter how small, is a declaration that your financial story ends on your terms. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step towards your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.